just put the worst hotel in Manchester. Welcome back everyone. So I'm checking in at Sasha's in Manchester. It is one of the worst rated hotels here. It has been covered quite a few times, which I've just realised on YouTube. But yeah, it's supposed to be a bit of a dump. Yeah, let's have a look here. I mean, yeah, it could use a bit of a paint and that on the outside, but let's go and check it out. Can I check in? I've already booked.
What's your last name, sir?
Bradley.
That's a booking for 2 persons for 1 night.
Yes.
You have prepaid it,
I prepaid, yeah.
but I need to pay £1.20 for the sleeping charge.
Here we are, 443. Let's see what we've got in store. Well, the first thing you notice when you get in here is, one, look how dark it is. The hell? Well, I know there was no windows because he told me at check-in, but jeez, could do with some. I mean, there's that one light there, but it's pretty dim everywhere else. Let's get some lights on. Second thing is how hot it is. I mean, they've got a fan on, which ain't really doing much because it's just circulating the heat around in here. You've got a lampshade that's absolutely ginormous for the desk. It's freaking huge. The desk itself is actually wonky. The chair looks alright. Looks like a decent chair. Maybe is it a bit worn, or is that the design of it? You've got another little cuckold chair there. It looks like we've got some AC. Actually, how do we switch this on? Oh, looks like it's already switched on. Well, that's just going around infinitely. Wonder if that's it. Oh yeah, there we go. Now we're working. Let's feel it. Well, there's nothing coming out, it's just making a noise. Well, that's useless. Got a nice desk here. Same design as that one. Also has a wonky leg, just like that one. The beds do look a bit sad, I must admit. Oh, there we go. There we go. That looks a bit, only ever so slightly, but I know the wheels have had enough. There's a little bit of stainage here. It's kind of pink. I'm not sure what that could be. You got a nice bit of London on your wallpaper. Not sure what's happened there, but how do you get a stain up there? Let's switch some lights on. Get this one on as well, why not? Got no windows. Oh, that's nice and bright. Different colour to that one though. I have noticed that there is a light up here. See this tube light? Oh, it looks like there was curtains here. I have no idea why there would be curtains here. Also, these look like the switches for the light. Well, look like where the switches used to be. There's just 2 blanks here. It's time for the bed test. I'm pretty sure I can feel the springs actually. Let's give it a go. Oh, that's not good at all. I can feel the springs. It's sticking in my back, and that's sleeping on the duvet. Looks like we have a good amount of hangers. You've got your throw. You've got your suitcase holder, whatever you call it. Another fan, a radiator. So certainly won't be needing that. And you got 1 towel and 1 hand towel. That's a bit weird because we've got 2 twin beds, so you're supposed to share a towel. Let's have a look in the bathroom. What's this material? Perspex, I think it is. Got a bit of marks here. That sink looks pretty clean. It looks pretty new, to be honest. That must be newly fitted because the silicone around it. It does look quite new and it's clean. Same goes around the edging. Some nasty hairs in the corner. Oh, there's your other towels there. Oh, look at that, folded nicely as well. I've just ruined it. Oh well. You got these little cutouts here in around the bathroom. Is that for, there's another one here, look. Is that for like servicing or something? Maybe it is, maybe it's for the drains. Could be done a bit neater than this though. Just got a random screw in there as well. Let's have a look at the bath. I can't really complain. It does look pretty clean. Even around the edging, there's no mould or anything. You go to a lot of hotels and there is mould around the bath. Looks like there has been some in that corner and they've just kind of siliconed over it. Yeah, not much to say about it really. Like perspex all the way around. Right, talking about the check-in process, it was really smooth. The fella that checked me in he was a lovely man. He was very polite, happy, smiling, which is what you want, isn't it, when you're checking in an hotel. I will say it's very busy. I don't know, I mean, it is a Friday night, but I'm certain I'm gonna struggle sleeping tonight because it's absolutely scorching in here. That thing up there ain't doing anything at all. In fact, it's just making a noise. There's no air coming out of it at all. I don't know what it's doing. Now, I don't have high expectations because it is a budget room. £34 on a Friday night in the centre of Manchester. But yeah, I mean, you're getting cooked in here. I can't understand why it's so hot. Nice kind of Budweiser there. Wonder what's down here. It's locked. I do like the ceiling. It's all mirrors. These mirrors. Well, look at this peculiar little room. Like, it's just a plant and a clock. Yeah, it's peculiar. What's this? Jenny's Dining. It's locked. More mirrors. Do like the ceiling. Got a chandelier. I had a quick look around the hotel just now. There's not much to see because most of it's like locked off. The only places you can go really is walking around the corridors or in the bar, which there was a few people in the bar because it is a Friday night, so I didn't want to go in there with a camera. But I went outside and just had a walk around the building, and oh my God, didn't feel safe at all. I felt, honestly, there was groups walking around, like groups of thugs. They looked like they was up to no good. You don't want to bring your family here on a Friday. Who's going to do that? I know. If you're watching this and you did have that in consideration, don't do it. Anyway, as I said, it's getting late for me. 10 o'clock's my bedtime. I'm going to try and get a bit of sleep now, but I mean, it's going to be difficult with this heat. There is 2 fans. I've got one on me right now. I'm going to have to set up the other one. But yeah, I'll let you know how it goes in the morning. Night, night. Well, that's me done. I give up. I'm checking out. There's just someone banging doors, screaming. I can't sleep through that. So I'm doing one. Hello, sir.
Yes.
Change of plans. I'm checking out.
You're checking out?
Yeah.
Okay.
And do I need to do anything?
No.
No, all good?
Yeah.
Thank you.